Hello, Arno Cougars. I just want to say how proud I am of all your accomplishments. When you take your time, when you use everything that you know, and you come in confident and you give your very best, these are the kinds of great things that happen for you. We're all so proud of you. Keep up the great work.
Hi boys and girls, it's me, Mrs. Smalley. Congratulations on reaching your NWEA goal. Way to go. Keep working hard. I'm proud of you. Way to go.
Way to go, Arno Cougars. Keep up the great work.
Hey guys, way to rock it. Miss Manchu is very proud. Woo!
Hi everyone, congratulations for getting the end step nailed. Good job. Let's do this again in the spring. You got this. Excellent.
Way to go, Arno Cougars. Keep up the great work.
Way to go, Arno Cougars. Keep reaching your goals.
Congratulations, Arno Cougars. We're so proud of you. Keep it up.
Great job, Cougars.
We're proud of you. Super job from Team First Grade.
Congratulations, you guys rocked it. I am so proud of you.
Way to go, Cougars. Keep up the great work.
Congratulations, everybody, on reaching your NWEA goals. Way to persevere. Good job.
Hi, Arno Cougars. Congratulations. I'm so proud of you for reaching your goals.
Hi, Cougars. Way to go on meeting your NWEA goals. I'm so proud of you. Keep up the great work.
Hi, Arno students. Awesome job on your test. You rock.
Way to go, Arno Cougars. I'm so proud of you.
Great job, Arno Cougars.
Way to go, Cougars.
Way to go, Cougars. I can't wait to see those scores in the spring. Keep up the great work.
Way to go, Cougars. Keep up the great work.
Great job, Arno Cougars.
I don't like it.
Way to go, Cougars. We're so proud of you.
Hi, Arno Cougars. Fantastic job on your testing.
Way to go, guys.
Hi, Arno Cougars. Congratulations on completing your NWEA assessments for the winter. Keep up the good work in school and always do your best. Way to go.
Great job, Arno Cougars. We are so proud of you. Don't stop now. Keep reaching for those goals. You can do it.
Congratulations, Arno Cougars.
Hey, all you awesome Arno Cougars. Keep working hard and reaching those goals. I'm so proud of you. Give your brain a kiss.
Way to go, Caring Cougars. Great job on your NWEA test.
I want to say how proud I am of everyone here in this room today. Whether you hit your goal or not, you still came in, you gave it your best. If you didn't get it this time, you'll get it next time for sure. We're also going to be doing this again in the spring for our next assembly. And we also have the most improved coming down the line as well. So there's always time. For everyone else, great job on hitting your mark. You either hit the grade level mark or you hit your goal, your student goal. So we're very proud of you for all those accomplishments. You used what you know, you came in with your best, and that's exactly what we need from you today for the M-Step, for the next spring test, all of it. So congratulations to everybody. Keep up the great work.